y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. We back. It's 99.5, and here we are.
He said I was not ready for that, but okay.
This is the final countdown.
The final countdown. Okay, sorry. That's not doorbell.
I didn't see a person there.
Okay, that's probably the good old friend downstairs messing with stuff. Okay, so this is, it's a ghost.
Spooky dookie. Wait.
This is the Algonquin Classic Rye Cocktail.
Algonquin.
Whatever the hell the thing is. Okay?
Algonquin. Yeah.
That one. Okay. It seems simplistic because it has 3 ingredients: pineapple juice, dry vermouth, and a rye whiskey. Now, friends, if you're looking at the bourbon whiskey we have chosen, it is not a rye whiskey. Mind your business. We had what we had. Baker's, however, is 107 proof. We feel like it has the toughness to sustain for this particular cocktail.
So go to the upper room, pretty much, yeah.
The upper room.
Yeah.
So that's what we're using. And so let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with our pineapple juice, and that is going to be 3/4 ounce of pineapple juice.
It's a little off the top, pretty much. Liquor math.
Yeah, liquor math. A little off the top. Okay, 3/4 ounce of our dry vermouth. So, a little off the top. You don't even know how much bourbon.
Yep, sure do.
Oh, you do?
For once in my life, I have my phone open.
Oh, look at you.
I just want to let you know, Apple won't count your days.
1 and a...
3/4. This is the rest of the bottle?
1.5.
Bless you.
Bless you. 1.5 ounces of the whiskey. Bourbon whiskey.
You got a good martini within this.
That's, I fucked that up. I think I put more bourbon than I needed to.
1.5?
I think I almost put 1 3/4. It was an accident. So this might be a little more spirited than I was looking for. Okay, so with that, we're ready to shake. You didn't see none of that. You saw 0. You saw nothing. You saw nothing. You saw nothing.
I think Ice Spice is coming to get us.
That girl can't put 2 and 2 together. She ain't coming for nobody.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Why is all of our color schemes this color? Like, literally all of our drinks have...
But why am I having more?
I already told you this. It's your little cap.
What is this called again? The Algonquin? The algorithm?
Algonquin and family. Listen, I don't know.
Right.
Algonquin Classic Rye Cocktail. That's what it is. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yeah. God.
It's like the pineapple went bad. Oh, it's like pineapple. SpongeBob's pineapple house went into smoke.
Oh.
You know what? Ice Spice has come back to haunt her. Did she have a SpongeBob themed music?
She might have.
This ain't no Sandy
While
Cheeks.
we're trying to recover our taste buds, how much money do you need to make before it's enough? There is no limit. We need all of it.
Sky's the limit.
Oh,
Give me another card. I gotta take this memory out of my head. I don't like this.
God, oh my Lord. This ain't the one. What fear have you outgrown?
6 inches. Hashtag table talk.
Oh no!
You said this is Let's Talk. This is the first thing that came out of my mind. Okay, ask me another one so I can get my mind right.
No, what the hell? I was gonna say needles because like I've got tattoos now and you went there. Oh.
My bad.
God.
One more.
Damn.
One more.
I'm scared to ask this one.
All right.
What don't women want?
Exactly. Less than 6 inches.
We don't want that Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll. They want that Tootsie Roll.
Cotton candy, sweetie, go. Let me see the Tootsie Roll. Come on. Just make that Tootsie Roll. Here we go. Just make that Tootsie Roll.
Oh, if you know.
To the left,
you know.
to the right. Now dip, baby, dip.
What? Oh, this is a setup.
All right, one more. I feel like this one is the no Diddy one. This is the no Diddy one.
No, all of this sucks. So like we're discussing.
Well, we're gonna have good table talks today.
What's the difference between innocent flirting and cheating? I feel like this should be straightforward.
I have a name, but I'm gonna keep that to myself. Next.
Oh, no. We're gonna leave that alone. We're not gonna leave that alone.
This
Jesus.
drink sucks. Humor me.
If you were given a free Super Bowl ad, what would you advertise?
My neck. My back. My
We have literally. This is not. Okay, I know it's supposed to spark conversation. It's sparking interesting conversation. I'm not even reading that. Look what was next. Where I'm trying.
What's under your bed? I don't own one of those because I don't need those.
Not anymore.
I heard they give you shock. Let's see. What's under my bed? Maybe some shoes. Maybe some water bottles.
Dust bunnies.
Yeah. One more. I feel like these are getting good. I feel like we're getting to know each other a little bit more.
Oh. Would you rather have a picture of you on a bad hair day in a national magazine or in your wedding photo? God damn.
You can always start over. I'm gonna say wedding photo.
I would agree with the wedding photo.
See?
National magazine is people's first impression of you. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Hold up, I want to pick one
Okay.
randomly.
Hold on. I could have just moved this closer.
No,
Why
no.
are you struggling?
What's your favorite dirty word and why? Lee, cover your ears for this one. You saw it. I didn't look. What's your favorite dirty word and why?
What is it?
No, I'm asking the question. You go first. You know, wait, how does that lady off of Instagram be like, I'm just saying.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah, what's yours?
Okay, my favorite dirty word was, or is, Yes, Zaddy, but Queef is definitely taking a new height there.
I didn't even think that.
I'm
was
sorry,
that
Cameron.
bad.
I'm about to put another one because
God.
I was not prepared for that one. One more. Hold up. Come on, man. Universe, you really probably put me out of pocket. What would be one good thing about being the opposite sex?
You're strong. I don't know. This shit is whack. I don't know.
Anything manly duties need to be done. Yeah. Real quick, what?
Let us. Okay, so.
Oh, we gotta
tried-
rate these real quick.
We tried 4 cocktails. What did you give? Did we give this?
Oh, we
an
never
actual-
even rated the tasting either. So we gotta do the tasting first and then we will rate the other one. So how would you rate those?
Wait. Okay. Oh, goddamn. Okay, we got 80 minutes.
Oh, cameraman is beeping us.
All right. So we did actually rate the bourbons.
We did?
We did.
Okay, so then
Did
go
rate
ahead.
those. So we just need to rate our cocktails.
Okay, go ahead.
So if I'm gonna go, I will start from least favorite to favorite.
Okay. So the
okay,
fourth?
So I'm gonna go tropical hibiscus bourbon cocktail as my least favorite.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna follow that with the right stuff, and then the bourbon Hemingway, and then I actually think this one is decent. This is the Algonquin, the one we can't pronounce. Okay, the classic rye cocktail. So that's my
Sour
order.
as pineapple upside down cake.
Yeah.
So for me, the least favorite, the fourth, will be this one, the Algonquin
that's
Classic
fair.
Rye. Yep.
That's fair.
The next one will be tropical hibiscus bourbon cocktail.
Yeah.
And then from there, I'm gonna go with the right stuff. But then the highest one will be bourbon Hemingway for me. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, listen, none of these were my fave, but I would say as summer comes, I think these are some good selections to start with and experiment with.
Yeah.
So we'll go with that. We will incorporate more of this foolishness in our our tastings with this table starter conversation type.
Yeah.
Thing. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what your favorite summer bourbon cocktails are. There are so many.
Ring that bell.
Don't forget to ring that bell so that you know when we put out our content, because I don't want to hear y'all saying, I didn't even know there was no episode. If you subscribed, you would know. Anywho,
There's that.
with
boo-boo.
that, we're going to sign off. We are going to enjoy,
Not this.
maybe not this, but something.
You
Some
enjoyed
type
it,
of cocktail.
clearly.
It was okay.
But anyway.
I'm going to drink it.
Well, we'll be back for one more fun. It's her birthday month, so whatever she chooses, that's what we're gonna do.
What we're choosing to do is mystery cocktails. I can't
Probably
tell you
something
that.
related to Beyonce, but you know, whatever.
Mystery cocktails. It's actually not Beyonce. So, but shout out to that tour. It's fabulous. Anywho, cheers, y'all. We'll talk later.
Ew.